Ryan.
What's up? West Coast, West Side.
No signs. Look at this nerd on his computer. Look at this nerd. You've got a rock show to do. Stop doing your techie computer stuff.
Hey, you've got all your shite gimbazoid pedals.
Huh?
You've got all your shite gimpy pedals. I
haven't got any pedals today.
Oh, okay.
Fuck you.
Well, he does. Make fun of him.
Hey Ben, you got really cool pedals. Yeah. Really cool pedals. Unlike this guy with his shitty laptop. Look at it.
It is a shit laptop.
See, he agrees with me. What have you got?
I can't look.
I found a nice Fender keyboard.
So wait, and look at these nerds. Look at these nerds.
You're a nerd.
I am a nerd.
Show everyone in the vlog your bandana.
Because it's not put on properly. Yes, it is. It's not. What do you mean? Have a look at it. I have had a look at it. How is it supposed to look? Right, well, let me have a look first, because I can't fucking see it. That's supposed to be tucked in, and you've got it the wrong way round. How have I got it the wrong way round? That bit there is supposed to be there. How? Take it off and have a look. It's Reese.
Kill me.
It's Jake.
I want to die.
It's Ash.
Hi.
There's Adam. Oh.
The sound team have just left us. I don't blame them. They're 5 minutes late.
That's the side for you. Yeah. I'm always late. Always late.
To be honest, it's very normal of decent though.
It's Sam's here. Sam's here. Hello,
Yo,
Sam.
what's up, Sam? Make some noise for Sam.
Yo, what's up? Oh, Jack's looking for you. You're already here.
Jack's
Looking for you.
You, boy with the orange hair.
It's dusk. It's Harry. Oh wait, shit. That's Alfie. That's Harry.
I don't know, you're not just looking to rip them, man.
Yeah, what if I do?
Team squad.
What do I do?
You're next, Ryan.
Squad pilot.
Callum, you concern me.
Huh?
I said you concern me.
No, I don't concern you. I mean, you're next as well. Actually, no, Tom's out the mix. It's just the gingers.
Let's go.
Do you think, right, that Ryan kind of looks like Tom and Jake mixed together?
You said precisely.
No, but
He does.
You said
it is, isn't it? It is.
No, but the way you said it was like if we had a baby, it made.
I didn't say that. Someone else said that last time.
Ryan have the same like hair shape.
No, it's the curliness.
No, but it's how it
Ryan's
sits
got more
as
of
well.
a clear curly.
Yeah, mine's not really cool.
Where's your, where's the Nando's date?
Jake's got to follow as well.
No, do you not get,
Yeah, I
get the
do.
joke, yeah.
Jake's got to follow Jake's Tom's son.
What?
Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
Why are you vlogging me, boy?
What?
Hello. I just wanted to see what you...
Actually, you look into Wrexham, it's like a body hanging. He goes, oh my god, guys, look.
This is the real welcome to Wrexham.
We're welcome to Wrexham.
Yeah.
You see, send Mr. Ryan Reynolds and go look.
He's coming tonight.
Oh yeah, sure. Yeah. He is.
Okay.
Oh, could I forget?
I'm gonna shag him
I
then.
realised that we've not even been able to put our lights or anything.
Yep. Welcome to Colour Camera.
Kaz.
Basically, hello.
Hello.
Basically. Welcome to the vlog. Callum had a hissy fit because he lost his bottle of water. I'm like, I'm fucking thirsty. Sam's having a hissy fit because he can't find his bottle of water.
I'm fucking thirsty. I'm sweating.
It's not my fucking problem that you dropped it down there by accident.
I didn't drop it down there.
I think you did.
Oh, Callum, mate. What a wacky life. Fuck off, I want to go again. Where's my drink? Constantly tormented by everyone. Right, where's my drink? Fuck off.
Level 3s be like.
I love how Ash is like, it's got your level 3 gunk on it. He's not much better, is he? Level 2 looking as motherfucker. Gooey Louie is better than Ashley Fordham. I said here first, on film, on video.
Alfie and Harry, you sound so good. Like it's
What are you doing? Let's go. Alright. I thought you just recorded.
Vlog hijack. Let's go. We're about to do our sound check. Hey-oh. Sound checking. Oh yeah. We're watching Moogler Index. Are we, Tom?
We're good. Watching Moogler.
I just said that.
Oh, well, I didn't hear you.
Yeah, pretty chill, guys. Ooh. Go away, Jake. Get a digital camera.
Fuck you.
Ooh, give me some the gippy shrimp. Off the TV is coming tonight.
What are your thoughts, Jake? You're not on camera, don't worry.
If I was, I don't really care.
Oh, okay. Well, what were you saying? Repeat it to the camera.
It's just like, shouldn't Ash be counting, considering he's like the drummer and that?
Oh, here we go.
So hold on. Where's the mic? I left all my food and all my drink in the classroom, so now I'm really sad. Oh my god, why does he look like that?
Oh, fucking 4K. Welcome to level 3 ED. Ali, I promise it's only this band, I promise.
Really, it's all.
Yeah.
This isn't
You should watch the other band.
There must be some kind of way out of here. Said the Joker to me. There's too much confusion.
vlog. Surprise! Fuck!
So we're at Retrograde and it's just me and Sam.
Hello, I'm Sam.
The whole plan was to bring everyone here for pizza, but they all kind of just left. But we got a lunchtime deal: pizza, brownie, and
Can of Coke. A cock and a hot pepper.
yeah. So, and then we're gonna go to Tesco's and grab a pack of 24 water for all the singers because they're gonna need it. So yeah.
Up, gang, I'm with Izzy. I still think vlogging is fucking dumb, but
Subscribe to our YouTube channel below.
I have to walk like a mile and a half.
We have to walk.
We have to walk like a mile and a half because the other day I left my wallet on the bus.
Spice.
And the spice head. Oh, can I not turn around? One sec. Yeah, I'm just chilling, I'm just the spice head.
Bro, you're not subtle.
No, okay, whatever. Anyway, there's a spice head over there. Anyway, so we have to walk like a mile and a half to get my wallet from the bus depot. So that's fun.
Also, we're going to Pound Bakery.
Pound Bakery. Fuck yeah. Spice heads, Pound Bakery, wallet. We're in for a good time, baby.
Yeah. Okay, bye.
Bye.
We just had pizza, very good.
Very nice.
Although Sam had a brownie, it was very good.
Very nice. Well, it was very nice, but I'm a singer. Shouldn't have eaten a brownie.
No. Anyway, we're heading off to Tesco's and if you can't see that. I'm gonna get packs of water for the entire class, mainly the singers. I'm gonna give each singer 2 bottles of water each. That should be awesome. I know. And then, like, if there's any going, I mean, whoever wants water can have water. We're just crossing the road. Oi. And then our barflies doing their sound check now.
Finish yourself a lunch, yeah. They might do that after.
Because then, yeah. So it might be us when we get back to college.